Next trick we're going to work on is called Spirit Bomb. But first, I'm going to show you something called a wrist mount. Spirit Bomb uses a wrist mount, as does a couple other tricks. There's another trick called Superman, uses a wrist mount. These are complicated tricks. Kind of looks like a in the bucket mount that we were doing earlier, except it's a little different because it goes around your wrist and lands the yo-yo. So let me show you what this looks like first. A wrist mount looks like this. You have a string coming around your wrist. You have the string cross through the string here and a triangle opening up. And what this allows you to do is play with it with these triangle formations that you have. Spirit Bomb is a trick that entirely is comprised of these moves, and so it's important to get a good wrist mount. A wrist mount starts, go over your fingers if you were going to do a trapeze. But instead, you continue the yo-yo over, and kind of as if you were going to double or nothing, you stick your wrist out though. You want it to go over your wrist. It goes over the back of your wrist right there. It's important because you want it to be lined up. As it comes around, what you do is swings around. You take your hand and twist it. Get your thumb opening up this triangle that's forming. As the string comes underneath, it's actually going to land back on the string that's connected to the string that's coming under your wrist, just like so. And you land it right into the middle. Let me show that again real quick. That's a wrist mount. It's landed right into the middle of this triangle. And it's that string that you want. It's that string that's going underneath, just like so. To get out of a wrist mount, you can either do one of two things. You can grab this triangle that was created and just pull the yo-yo back out of it. It's a similar motion to how you get out of the bucket hold that we went over. The other way to get out of a wrist mount is, let me show you from this angle real quick. You come from here, you push into the string, and then you push into the string connected to the yo-yo itself and land it on that string. It's a little bit tricky. I recommend watching the video a couple times, taking notes on how that's happening. That's how you get out of it. That's a wrist mount. Practice this. Spirit Bomb's the next trick we're going to be working on, which uses that.